Hi, I'm Lisa Goldsworthy, Vice President of ACE Carpet and Upholstery Care in Denver, Colorado. And in this segment, I'm going to discuss coffee spills on your carpet. Most carpet is nylon. That's what you'll find in most residential homes is the nylon fiber. And one important thing to take note is that in the dyeing of the nylon fiber, they use acid dyes. And oftentimes with certain spills like wine or coffee, coffee being our example on this one, it has acid in it and therefore can change the color of your carpet. So nylon readily accepts dyes, so that's very important, and it's dyed with that acid. But let's take a look and see what kind of result we get with our coffee spill. So I'm going to go for our spill. Oh, bummer. Okay. So now this particular, you can see it kind of beat up a little bit. Has Scotchgard on it. But oftentimes we see a spill like this. It goes all the way through the carpet and therefore ultimately ending up into the carpet pad as well. All right. So what's rule number one? Rule number one, as you know, probably if you viewed the other videos, is to get this spot up immediately once it's been spilled. And we are going to do so with our white towel. First off, I would blot the spill, okay? And again, never scrub your carpet. It will damage your fiber. The best, rule of thumb in any spill on your carpeting is to just be patient and blot. You can see I've got a nice transfer there of our coffee onto the white towel. You can also go back and forth in this type of a motion. Just gently, not scrubbing, just very gently back and forth. Okay. Now it's not, we've gotten a pretty decent results here. And that really is because we caught it right away. It does have Scotchgard on it. But really tackling that right away is a key part of that. I still see maybe very slight discoloration. What I would recommend doing after you thoroughly blot, and really how do you know once you've thoroughly blotted? Well, because the carpet starts feeling drier and you really don't see anything coming onto the towel at all. It's clear. I would also just take one other step and just barely take ice cold water. Why ice cold? Because hot water often can set a stain. Ice cold water, and just gently blot with the water as well. So in this particular case, we've had great success. Now, in a case where if you don't have success and you do still see a stain, don't do anything more. Don't tackle it with any other cleaner. Simply call a carpet cleaning professional to take care of the rest of it. And most likely they'll have good results because of what you've done. And that's blotting and using water only. And that will really help improve any results in carpet cleaning. So good luck.